Am I even in focus? Oh my goodness. Okay, so hi guys. This is actually going to be one of the last videos that I'm going to be filming in this particular location. I'm actually going to be moving in about 2 weeks sooner, that this video goes up. But I'm just really excited. I can't wait to show you, like my moving in vlogs. I am going to have a roommate. I have to get it all squared away with her, what the situation will be, what days that I should film, that I'm not disturbing her and all that other stuff. So yeah, that's just a little bit of update as to like the channel's situation. And I actually am going through quite a few changes in my own personal life. I'm starting my master's this month. It is the month of March. It is March 1st. What else? Oh yeah, the moving, duh. I'm getting settled into my new job, and I'm just planning for this Charlotte, North Carolina trip. So there's just a lot of things happening, a lot of moving parts. So from here on out, after this video is uploaded, I'm going to be uploading only once a week on my channel until further notice, basically. But as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be taking inspiration from characters from the Birds of Prey movie. Obviously, I got this jacket because of Harley Quinn, because of that first opening sequence in the club where she breaks that one bodyguard's legs.
Okay.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, boo.
And I just thought it was a really cute jacket, and I got it from Shein, so I will have it linked in the description down below if you want to get a jacket like this for yourself. I got a bunch of things from Shein, and I think my last video was a Shein haul, so I will have that linked in the iCards. But let's just get into the makeup. So a future video that I'm going to potentially do is testing the NYX eyeshadow base against the MAC paint pot, because for a long time I had never tried the MAC paint pot, and I was comparing it to the NYX eyeshadow base, and after using the MAC paint pot, I think it is so amazing. The NYX eyeshadow base is a nice dupe for it, I believe still, but it's not an exact replica of this, because this obviously is so much better. This is a higher name luxury brand and it's more expensive, so obviously you're gonna get what you pay for. But if you can only afford to get the NYX, go ahead and purchase it, because it will last you a while. It will help your makeup last throughout the day, not as long as MAC, but honestly my eyelids get super oily, and the MAC really helps with that, really keeps with the oil control, and oil breaks down makeup. So eventually in my crease, after I want to say maybe 4 or 5 hours with the NYX, it honestly starts to wear down, whereas with the MAC it doesn't. So it just depends on where you want to spend your money and if it's worth it to you and how oily your eyelids are. So I'm actually going to be using quite a few eyeshadow palettes today. 3 out of 4 of them are going to be Jeffree Star. So for the Harley Quinn blue eye makeup, I'm going to be using Blue Blood. So one eye is going to be blue and the other eye is going to be kind of like a dark purpley black smoky eye, because of Black Canary and also the Huntress, because Renee Montoya, I think her name is Renee Montoya, the policewoman in the movie, she doesn't really wear makeup from what I can tell, at least not heavy makeup like the rest of the cast. And then the kid is just a kid, so she's not wearing makeup either. So I'm taking inspiration from Black Canary, Huntress, and also Harley Quinn for this look. So I'm going to be going in to Mini Breaker for some purple, the Beauty Killer palette for, I want to say Galaxy Black it's called? No, Black Rainbow. And because it's going to be such a bright, heavy eye makeup, I'm going to be doing my eyes before the rest of my face. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the color Blue Blood on a Morphe M433 brush and just sweeping that into the crease. And then we're going to be taking a Morphe M506 brush and going in to Deceased. just to deepen up the color on the outside. Oh my gosh. What did I just do to myself? Wow. Okay. And then I'm going to be taking Ocean Ice on that same Morphe M506 brush. And then we're going to be just deepening the outer corner. And I feel like we need to dip into Blue Monday as well, just to get a better transition. Okay, and then on a Morphe M166 brush, did I say wine? Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. A Morphe M166 brush, I'm going to be tapping into the color Entitled. And it's just this really nice flat brush. And there's a little bit of fallout from that color right there on my cheek, so it's a good thing we're doing the face makeup after. I'm going in to Ocean Ice one more time just to make that transition a little bit more smoother from Entitled to the rest of the colors. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm having a whole lot of fallout from that color. I mean, I might as well be a part of the Blue Man group. I mean, look at that. Okay, I think that's enough of this palette for now. I feel like Aquamarine or one of the main characters from H2O. If any of you remember that show, you know. You're in the loop. But yeah. Oof. I've really stained my brushes. I mean, look at that right there. I need to clean it. Gonna mess it up a little more though. Okay, so with the Mini Breaker palette, I'm going to be taking a Morphe M506 brush, a different one, thank goodness, and dipping into Hot Fudge. I feel like a big old makeup fail right now because of this going on my nose. Okay, and so to darken things up just a little bit and just to make it a little bit more smooth, we're going to be going in to Vanity from the Beauty Killer palette. And I'm taking that on a Morphe M456 brush. Okay, so taking a Morphe M224 brush, it is just a plain flat brush, and this is the one that I always use to cut the crease. I am taking the Drug Lord Liquid Lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I don't know why, but I always feel such pressure when I have to cut my crease. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Morphe M506 brush and dipping into Black Rainbow, but I'm just going to actually darken this up a little bit. Okay, so we had to fix that a second time, but it's fine. So now I'm going in to Violence. I think I'm going to be taking a Morphe 506 brush. Wait, no, that's too dark. I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to be taking a Morphe I'm going to be taking a Morphe M431 brush and tapping into Oral from the Jawbreaker palette and just tapping it right there where there's a little bit of our bare skin showing. And I'm going to be taking Vanity one more time, just trying to blend these colors in together, which is not working. I think that's the best we can do for this eye. So I'm actually going to be turning off the camera, doing the rest of my face makeup, because if you've been on my channel before, you've probably seen me do my face makeup maybe 2 times. So I'm just going to fast forward through that, and I will catch up with you guys after I put on the rest of my face. Okay, so clearly I've put on my eyeliner and my eyelashes and I've fixed up a thing or two, plus my face. So I'm actually going to be going into, I don't even know what color I should do. Thinking about going into Ice Tray with a Morphe M506 brush and just dragging it along the lower lash line. And honestly, I got a little bit of it in my eyes, so that's why I'm blinking a whole lot. And we are also going to be dragging a purple along our lower lash line, and I want it to be Purple Punch from the Mini Breaker palette. I wonder how my new setup's gonna be, because this is just not working for me right now. But I'm actually gonna be putting on a classic Harley Quinn. Let me see. Where the heck did it go?
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting on a classic Harley Quinn red lip, and it is in I Am Adaptable. Real Her in the color I Am Adaptable. So I'm just going to be putting on this Cocoa Butter lip balm first, because my lips are just super dry.
Why did they call me the gunner? I'm popping up on anybody if they trigger me.
And surprisingly, oh my gosh, did I just ruin it? Surprisingly, this is the only red lipstick that I have, and I just got it a few months ago in an Ipsy box, I think, so perfect timing. And honestly, the best way to apply a dark or a bright liquid lip like that is with one of those lip brushes, but I just don't have that time right now. But I would highly recommend doing that for any, really dark, like a black lipstick, a red lipstick, anything like that that's really gonna show any imperfections or any mistakes that you make. So yeah, this is my Birds of Prey makeup look. Let me just take my hair down. I'm surprised I didn't even really talk about the movie. I really liked the movie. I thought the cast were badass. I really liked the fight scene at the carnival. That was really cool for me to watch. And yeah, I like this jacket. It's just so Harley Quinn, Yeah, I think that DC is just coming out with better and better movies. I honestly grew up with Marvel movies and not DC. I started to kind of not transition, but be more interested in DC movies as I grew older. Because all throughout my childhood, it was just Marvel, 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 Marvel everything, And so I want to say around high school, I started to venture into the world of DC. And I thought Wonder Woman was really good, Birds of Prey is really good, Aquaman was really good. And yeah, I just can't wait to see what DC has to offer next. And I'm really excited. This is the finished Birds of Prey makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. I really can't talk today, wow. So this is the finished Birds of Prey makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope it was at least entertaining for you. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I hope you have a great day. There will be more content soon to come. Please just be patient with me while I just try and settle in to this new chapter in my life. I'll see you guys later. Bye.